since his bond's been revoked, he's been in here 3 weeks, and I think he has faced some harsh realities. That
Harsh realities of what?
what happens when you don't listen to Judge Simpson, when you don't follow your bond conditions.
Oh, that harsh reality?
Welcome to Epic Court Encounters. All right, this is a follow-up from a previous video that I put up regarding Lavonte Washington, who's been in Judge Simpson's court for some issues that he's having with drugs. All right, so I just want to keep this case going until we get to the end of it. And that's how I normally try to do on these cases, okay? All right, let's go.
Court calls the case, People versus Lavonte Washington.
Ashley Lonnie for the people.
For the judge. Assistant Public Defender, Washington. Mr. Washington, is here. Please state your name for the record.
Lavonte Washington.
Thank you, Judge. Obviously, I did not have this last time, but I am told that I'm asking for an adjournment of the PCC, and I am to address bond if the court will allow. So,
Probable cause conference will be adjourned February 6, 2025, 9 a.m. Go ahead.
Thank you, Judge. My understanding is that the last court date, the court told Mr. Washington that he was to come up with a plan as to what would happen should he be released. I believe Ms. Ikariakan had to file at that time, and she indicated that he was to go into the CCOP program. She reached out to Ms. Maya Dozier, and our understanding is he cannot be evaluated for that program while in custody. He has prepared a plan, is my understanding, as a letter for the court if the court wants to review it, is what I am told. And so his request is that the court would release him on a tether if necessary, so that he can go into the CCOP program, be evaluated by Ms. Dozier. And he does have family support here who would help him in any way. With his mother and his father are both in the courtroom. And so that's what his request at this time.
Oh, they're back. Okay. Okay. I just wanted to.
Yes, Judge. And so that's my understanding as of what occurred at the last court date and what his request is.
They're going to get into CCOP program?
Yes, Judge. Since his bond's been revoked, he's been in here 3 weeks, and I think he has faced some harsh realities.
Harsh realities of what?
What happens when you don't listen to Judge Simpson, when you don't follow your bond conditions.
Oh, that harsh reality?
Yes.
How's it been going?
Not so good.
So, how do you think you ended up here?
By not being truthful to myself, honestly, like I said the last time, and not being truthful to you, most of all.
And there's another person you weren't truthful with.
My mother.
Yeah. Out of all of that, that was the one that upset me. How old are you?
24. I'll be 25 on a Monday.
Oh, so we could keep you for your birthday?
In theory, you could, yes, Judge.
That's pretty cool. Do they do cake down there? No, they don't? No cake? Oh, bummer. You know something, young man, and it's kind of funny because when I sit up here, I kind of look out and I see people, and sometimes I see moms, and moms are here. You may not have done the right thing, but mama's going to be here to protect her baby, or as best she can. And when she got up and walked all the way across the courtroom to get away from that other, whatever her name was, she knew you were in trouble. Mom, you want him? You do? You're so lucky she didn't say no. Because if she had said no, you'd just be my guest. Is there anything from the people regarding this?
It's a copy of the letters going to go to the court. I'd like to see it before it comes.
I haven't seen. I
I didn't know if it was
seen.
gonna go or not. That was.
Do you need to see it?
I don't need to see it.
Well, as long as the court continues the testing, the people have no objection to this change in bond. If there are any positive tests, we will be asking them to defend it bond or vote.
Again.
If there are additional positive tests, I should say, yes, there's 2 previous positive tests of great concern.
You know, some young man, you need to stay away from that stuff because either you're going to end up in jail, or you're going to end up dead. That's just going to be the reality.
Sure.
So he's to enroll in the CCOP program. I'm going to put him on a GPS location tracking tether, and we'll reinstate his previous testing. You're on thin ice. You need to follow all of this to a letter.
Sure.
Those previous bond will be reinstated with a GPS tether. We'll see him on the 6th.
Thank you very much, Judge.
Thank you.
Let you-
Young man, don't thank me. Thank your mother for you having your freedom today, as well as your life when your birthday comes around. Mom, thanks for coming down. Court calls the case, People versus Lavonte Washington.
Ashley Lonnie for the people.
Credit Judge Torshell Feaster, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Washington. Mr. Washington, please state your name for the record.
Lavonte Washington.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. I've met with Mr. Washington and spoke to the people. My understanding is that Mr. Washington would like a preliminary examination, and I believe all discovery has been complete.
People have their witnesses available on the 18th.
Just checking now, Your Honor. We can try for that date.
Preliminary examination in person will be set February 18th, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Washington. Bond will continue.
Thank you very much, Judge.
Thank you.
Okay, there you have it. You're caught up on all the hearings. But I have a question. Do you think Lavonte Washington is being sincere about trying to clear things up, or you think he's just trying to work his way through the system? Either way, Judge Simpson gave him another chance based off of his mother's support. So I guess we had to see how it goes. But put it in the comments as to what you think, and I will be following up on that next hearing to see where this goes, okay? So I hope you have a good day, evening, or night, wherever you are. See you next time.